Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to Looming Time with the Loomerator, aka I'm the Loomerator, and today we have a little guest. She is my best friend. She's paused. I believe she's watching YouTube. Sorry about my iPad, it's all scratched up. But we are currently FaceTiming her. There's my face. Hi guys. So we're currently FaceTiming her. Say hi, Faith. Can't really tell. She's in the dark. Oh, there's the camera. Okay, well anyways, today we're going to start with the video. Okay, so she's going to be back here. She can talk if she wants. She's just going to be right there. If I can stand her up. So she's going to be there, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little bow that I made her a little snake. Mine is kind of breaking. Her snake is about the same as mine. Show them Marsh. Yeah, that's her snake I made her. And here's my snake. Hold on, turn off the light. Yeah. That's her snake. And then here's my snake. Her snake is Smarsh, like marshmallow. She likes marshmallows. I like sushi, so I like Smarsh. But here's my snake. And there's a little bead on him. So here's my snake. He's going to be a little friend also. So we're going to make him a little bow. And if I have an example, which I probably do. Yeah, it's in this box. Let me take it out. Here's this. Here's a little example of it. I can't really tell. There. Right there. Anyways, that's a little bow. This one's a little janky. Wait, I think this is the same one that my friend made. Wait, Faith, did you make the one that was red and the yellow bow? Mm-hmm. Hey, I have one of those too. Yeah, she made the same one as me. Wow, we're twins. Yeah, it matches her snake. My snake is red, black, and white, and hers is like, I don't know, orange, red, and yellow. Oh, black and white too. Yeah, that's a lot of colors. Okay, so for this you'll be needing 2 colors. 2 of your main colored. I'm using my cotton candy bands, and then this one is from the Glow Mix, and it's the purple. I think it's like the purple electric one, but it glows in the dark. And then you'll be needing these 3 pegs on your loom. Let me move this over a bit. Okay, so you'll be needing these 3 pegs of your loom, and then any rainbow loom hook or crochet hook. I just have my 2 metal tip hooks here. I have my plastic hook and my other metal tip hook down there, but I'm just going to be using my pink one today. And that's pretty much all you need. And my friend gave me this, that friend on the phone. So he's going to be, so comment down below. I'm going to hide him in every video, but for now, he's going to be here. So yeah. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified for the next video that I post, which is probably going to be soon. I'm hoping on posting every single day. I was going to post 2 videos yesterday, but I was lazy and I didn't want to edit the video, so I still have that, which I'll probably post tomorrow, but yeah, let's just get right on to the video. Alright, so you're going to grab your 2 first bands. You're going to put them here. And you're going to grab your single band right here. You're just going to lay it there. You're going to grab your hook. Kind of want to push that in. And you're going to go under and grab that. And you can use your hook, but it always comes off mine. And you just want to bring it over so that there are 2 loops on that peg, and then you're going to grab the very bottom one and bring that over. And to stretch it out more, I told my friend to stretch it out once, but you can actually stretch it out twice just so it stretches out more. But I'm just going to go back to stretching it out once so that's on 2 pegs. You're slowly going to take each side off and then do that. Pull it a bit, and yeah, There's a little bow. You kind of want it like, you want it even. Mine's not even, but hold on, I'll get back to you when it's actually in a better, like, shape. Okay, so I got mine a bit more in shape. Yeah. So it looks like that's a little weird. I have better ones, but yeah. And I'm actually gonna put this one on my little whale, thingy that my friend got me. I don't know if it's a whale or a dolphin, but it's a sea creature. Hold on, it's gonna fall off. Like, I'm trying to put it on this part, so it's not gonna work. But it's right there. And yeah, so he said bye. The snakey said bye. Faith is smart, said bye, and Faith said bye. But before you leave, my comments are disabled. I did not turn them off like my friend told me. Don't turn them off this time so like other people can comment. But it's actually YouTube that's turning them on. Turning them off. But if you scroll all the way down, it will actually show you a little thing that says learn more. So it will tell you reasons why they turned it off. But you can probably email them and talk it out maybe. I don't know, because some videos do have the comments on. Maybe they emailed them and said blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I don't know what they said. But anyways, I am going to link my TikTok in the description. I have 3 accounts, but I'm only going to link my main account because you guys can be like comment ideas for my videos, but just don't go on there and be like, hi, I have an idea for a video, make the Starburst bracelet, but I'm gonna think to make it on my TikTok instead of YouTube. So just say, hi, I'm from YouTube, or hi, I'm from a YouTube channel, and I have an idea for a video, and then say what it is, just so I know that it's for YouTube and not for my TikTok, because sometimes I get those mixed up, and then people complain. So, yeah. Sorry for rambling on for a long period of time. But anyways, yeah, I think in most of my videos I'm probably gonna be on the phone with my friend because, like, why not? She's not interrupting anything. She's making a bracelet right now. What kind are you making? Yeah, but it's rainbows. Yeah. It's really cool. Yeah, I made her a little package. So I had to turn flash off because, like, then it would have done the little thing. But, what was I going to say? Sorry, I had to stop for a second because I didn't know what I was going to say. Anyways, I gave her that rainbow loom stuff, so, that's why she's looming now, which is good. Everyone wants to loom. But anyways, this video is going to be like 45,000 minutes long. Well, anyways, bye guys. Say bye, Faith. Bye. 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 Okay.